You're not gonna make it to the hospital.
Make it to the Reveroni.
I'd rather we need a hospital, man. Saeed, look around.
He's gonna put us in here.
But we will take you to hospital, okay?
You fucking drive us into the river, I swear to God.
I will not drop you.
I mean, I hope you guys have to reboot and
Yo, Dokes, you got your, the fucking car sound.
Climb, bitches.
No!
Oh my god, it's happening.
Drop the burrito!
No!
I got mine.
No!
What the fuck are you doing?
No!
Yo, if I get out and die,
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Help! Help! Help!
Oh my
Help
god.
Miles, help Miles.
No! Fuck, the bus is on top of me! No! Oh my god!
My bus.
I don't know how I live! The bus, the bus literally exploded on top of me.
My bus.
The bus exploded on top of me. I'm invincible.
Let's go to PD and make a complaint that our bus got exploded.
Let's go.
This bus, man, is fucking, you know, this shit got guarantee.
You're so stupid, Saeed.
Guarantee money
They
back.
want our bus back.
Oh yeah, I need a shit. Let's go take a shit in KD.
We need another bus.
Take a shit right in front of the gate.